Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have April's Allure Beauty Box, so let's get into it and check it out. We've gotten to the point with Allure Beauty Box where I'm not going to talk about its past. It's been so good lately that we won't even talk about it. I would say if you're going to sign up these days, sign up through Allure, because with Allure now you have sometimes customization. But when you have customization, it is generally colors. So you're going to want to do that. This is a box that I buy for myself. I do buy it through Amazon, and I keep telling myself every month when I'm up here and nowhere near my iPad, I say to myself, you know what? You should get it through Allure Beauty Box, because I get it every month and I know I'm going to for the channel. So I need to do it over an extended time so it'll be a better deal. Plus, with this super pale skin, I should really do something about customization. It is $25 a month. You will have 6 items. They say it will have a greater than $100 value. And I think of those 6 items, we are guaranteed that 3 will be full-sized. When we open it up, we have our paperwork. And then this is what the inside looks like. I have seen one of the items spoiled on somebody else's channel because I was flipping by and, oh, it's a good one. Time for glasses and reading. We're just gonna reach right in. We have the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. It is a clear serum. It is a 3-month supply. I have yet to try one of these on my lashes. I do use the growth serums that I can use on my eyebrows, but I have, and I know you can't tell on here, but I have hazel leaning toward mostly greenish eyes, and I've heard horror stories about people with blue or green eyes having them turn brown, and I am so nervous over losing my green eyes. This lash serum, which contains vitamins, peptides, and amino acids, is easy to paint along your lash line. The brand claims its serum can help lashes look longer and thicker in 1 to 3 months. It is full-sized and it has a $68 value. So I will go out and do some reading about this particular brand. If you have used it, let me know. I would love to know what you think about it. Did you have any issues with it? This is what it looks like when you open it up. I'm gonna leave it sealed in case after talking to you guys or reading about it, I decide, yeah, I'm still not gonna use it for $68. We wanna be able to pass that along. Next out, oh, how cute is this? Fruta Green Grape Pore Control Cream. That is what that looks like. We will take it out of here. Oh my goodness, it looks like a little honey pot. That is just too cute, like some jarred up jam or something. Fruta Green Grape Pore Control Cream Mini, a unique K-Beauty moisturizer. This turns watery and cool as you rub it in, making it fun to apply. It's lightweight. Despite the name, it's not really a cream, but creates a barrier over your usual serum to help seal in moisture. It is $24.10 for 1.94 ounces. And we have 0.35 ounces in this box. So I think that makes this between about $4 and $5. Let me see if I can read the ingredients on this tiny box. I don't see anything off the bat that seems like a problem, so we'll open it up. Very little scent. That is what it looks like. Can you guys tell? It looks from the top, it looks kind of like a cream. But when you touch it, it's so soft. But look, it's matte. Can you guys tell that it looks matte? That is so interesting to me. I put just a skosh on my hand. Yes. I can't even get it to you. The second that it hit my hand, it just, I want to say it absorbed. It didn't absorb, but you can't see it. I can still feel it a little bit. This is very interesting to me. It has a slightly fruity scent. I like that. Okay, now it's starting to absorb. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna use this like over my City Beauty serum as a next step. Did I have pores there? Hold on, I'm gonna put this somewhere else where I can see pores. Where I put it on my hand looks so smooth now. Let me try it over here. Stop it. It smooths your skin. So, I mean, I have nothing to compare it to, but it smooths your skin so much. Yeah. I will definitely be trying this. It's possible it could make my super sensitive skin angry, but that seems worth it. Yep, definitely trying that. Next out, interesting packaging. We have a Kerastase. I guess if it had leaked, it wouldn't have become a bigger problem. It didn't leak though. There's hair care that you use on autopilot, then forget about it and go on with your routine. And then there's Kerastase Chroma Absolute. It's an at-home, in-shower gloss that gives you a salon-fresh feeling, adding shine to color-treated hair. One editor who tested the treatment said, I can definitely tell my color looks particularly vibrant when I treat it with this gloss, and I've seen a significant reduction in frizz too. That's because the lactic acid seals the hair and it's smooth and shiny. If this was full-sized, it would be $58, 210 ml. We have 15 ml. So, wow, that's a lot less. Not that you couldn't get 15, was way less than 210, but this makes it like, this is probably like $2 worth. Next out, I have a vitamin E bag balm. From who? Bag Balm must be the brand. That is what that looks like. Paperwork says the original Bag Balm salve. It's a cult classic beauty product. It was created 125 years ago on a farm in Vermont, and it's still made in the Green Mountain State to this day. The brand's 4-ingredient lip balm is as soothing as its long-beloved all-purpose balm and hydrates without feeling greasy or sticky. It is full size. It is $5.99. The 4 ingredients are petrolatum, squalene, lanolin wax, and vitamin E. Well, last time I didn't try something that had petrolatum in it because I assumed that petroleum was bad, but people said no. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. I don't want to let the people down and have them be mad at me. That's what it looks like. Oh, can you see that? Oh, my hand worse. Oh, that's better. When it comes out, I have a lot of red. This is the higher collective, that Chiltern red that they do. I love it, but I don't want to go over it, so. Ooh, I just put it on the back of my hand. You can see the shiny of it, I hope. It is super shiny. Melted right onto my skin. It's just, yeah, it's just melting right in. Man, you could just use this anywhere, couldn't you? I'll tell you what, both my hands look great now. This one, because it's super soft, because it had that on it, but this one, yeah, it's also soft, plus it looks kind of matted from the Fruta. Okay, next out we have, I have no idea, Missy. It is, oh, by Rosie Jane, so it's a perfume, I think. This summery blend of mandarin and coconut is reminiscent of a warm, relaxing day at the beach when by sunset your skin is scented with sunscreen and the salt of the ocean. This perfume in a rollerball easily fits into your handbag, and it makes a perfect pick-me-up for anytime, anywhere. It is 7 ml and $45, so this is one of our full-size products. Mine says Missy on it. Did this mention Missy? Oh yeah, Missy perfume oil. When you take it out, that is what it looks like. Coconutty and mandarin. Oh my goodness, that's like heaven. Oh my gosh. I may have never had a scent on that I like any better than this. This is incredible. Yeah, that's my new scent. This is definitely my summer scent. That is amazing. We'll see how it wears down. I get more of the mandarin than the coconut. I think the coconut is probably there to dull the sharpness of the mandarin a little bit because coconut's a little sweeter, but man, that smells good. Okay, and last out. And this is the one that I saw spoiled, and it came in 3 colors, and I got the medium. I suspect when you don't, I hope that when you don't customize, they probably settle on the middle of the road. So I have the medium. I think we probably both know I probably needed the light. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. We're going to open it and decide. Science and Color Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer. It is Charlotte Tilbury. I know. Nailed it. Sorry to all my English friends out there. Makeup artist Charlotte Tilbury is the master of sexy bronzed looks. She worked with Kate Moss forever. So enough said. Is it though? And this creamy bronzer is exactly what you'd expect from the Tilbury brand. It gives skin a warm glow that's believable and sultry. The kind of summery radiance you'd get from lounging by the pool wearing SPF, of course. And it leaves your skin softer, by the way, with hydrating hyaluronic acid. It is a $58 value, and again, I received it in medium. On the back, by the way, it says skin appears smoother by 42%. It boosts hydration by 136% in 1 hour. It is humidity proof, sweat proof. Oh, and then it says it again in French. which, well, no, I won't do that. I've already offended my English friends. Let's not offend the French too. That, oh, there we go. She's bright. That is tough to get in there. Oh yeah. Nope, nope, nope. I am sad. It's darker than that. I'm looking at it in camera and I'm just here to tell you, I would try that color. That color looks kind of like me. In real life, it's darker than that. So I'm not going to say that I'm going to put it in a giveaway because first, I'm going to see if my daughter wants this. She's a little bit darker than me, so she might be able to pull this off. But stay tuned. This might end up in a giveaway. That is gorgeous. See, that's why I think I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, it is much. That might be closer. Back here away from the bright lights. See how much darker that is? I think that's truer to it. Yeah, that is why I've got to sign up and customize because this came in a lighter shade. It also came in a darker shade, but this came in a lighter shade and that would be awesome. Okay, that was another pretty darn fantastic, even if just for this, because if you belonged through Allure, you could customize, even if just for this. This is $58. I mean, this is more than twice the value of the box. Oh, we have a little coupon down here for wine voucher from Naked Wines. First come, first serve if anybody wants to screen cap that and do it. Then we have the Grande Lash, which was also full-sized. This really cute little Fruta, what do they call it? Pore Control Cream. I could probably use that in the summer. This amazing by Rosie Jane perfume. Oh, it's so nice. So nice. The back balm for your lips. When you're at the pool, you could just put a little on. And then the Kerastays. I'm going to see if it helps gloss my hair a little bit. But that was April's box. That was a fantastic, fantastic box. All right. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to come over and see what we got in our Allure Beauty Box for April. If you don't subscribe, I hope you will consider doing so. Please like, give us a thumbs up to help us out there in the algorithms, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.